Hi, friends. A few weeks ago, I won this auction box for a whole $4. Inside of it, you can see there in the top, is a woodworker's vise. And it turned out to be an AL Bemis number 3. These are the highly sought after because not many were made. Apparently, they weren't big sellers. They had a few issues with them. Mine is the number 3 with the dog. In 1912, it went for $3.75. And as you can see now, it is ballooned all the way to the price of $18.21 on eBay. For the first time ever, I decided to deconstruct it by actually taking out the pins. This means I will have to create a new pin in the end. It's very traumatizing for me. I want to thank Evaporust for sending me this lovely 3.5 gallon bucket of Evaporust. Uh, they didn't give it to me for free or anything. I did have to pay for it, and actually they wouldn't send it until the check cleared. But still, they did send it, so that's pretty cool. Part of the problem that Bemis might have had was a little bit of a lack of quality control. As you can see here, the casting isn't quite perfect, and I did have to sand it down just a little bit. Um, just goes to show you, they don't make things like they used to. polish this up with Flitz, yet another company that did not sponsor this video. Sensing a theme here. And on to Johnson Paste Wax, my favorite paste wax, and still a non-sponsor of the video. And so now you can see this is the second woodworker's vise that I have on my bench. When they're spread completely apart, I have 52.5 inches between the dogs, and that means I can hold a pretty big piece of wood out in my garage. Just bragging a little bit. And there you have it. The AL Bemis number 3 with dog. Beautifully restored and ready for many more years of use. It was patented in 1912, so after 110 years it's not doing too bad. There's quite a few improvements that could be made, but gotta tell you, old AL, he was doing okay. Thanks for watching.